How to find all the places you visited using Google Maps. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. If you want to find all the places you visited on Google Maps, all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. So stay with us till the end of the video. So first thing first, what you need to do is open your Google Map. Now here on top right hand side of your screen, you will find this profile icon. So tap on it. And then you will see this kind of pop-up. So here what you need to do is tap on your timeline located on middle of your screen. Now it might take few seconds depending upon your internet speed. So within few seconds your timeline will be ready. Now here on top of your screen you will find different options like day, trips, inside. So tap on trips located on top of your screen. And here it will show all of the trips that you have taken on past few days. Now simply scroll down to see more on details. And here it will show all the places that you have visited on past few days. So this is how you can see all the places you visited using Google Maps. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.